morning. Today, let's have a discussion on the case study topics on various software development models.
I'm trying to explain a view model using the library management system. So for making the library management system using the view model, we need two sides. First one is development side and the testing side. First is requirement analysis. In this, the library needs to add book, issue book and return book. The second one is system design. In this, we need to design the pages like login page, return book page and search book page. So the next is high level design. For this, the system is divided into modules like admin module, student module and book module. The next is low level testing. For this, small functions like adding books and issue books are planned. So next is the coding should be done. After that, now testing started. First is unit testing, checks the each functions. Integrated testing checks how modules work together. System testing checks the full system. So the view model helps to find error easily and gives good quality software.
First, I will explain what iterative model. Iterative model means developing a project in small steps. After each steps, we test it and improve it. For example, student management system. In the first iteration, we create login and student details. In the next iteration, we add attendance and marks. Finally, we improve performance and design. This model helps to find mistake early and make changes in.
Hello everyone, I am going to explain waterfall model. Waterfall model is step-by-step approach to develop a software. It includes objects and classes. When a college requires a student management system, it can use waterfall model. The waterfall model consists of 6 major phases: requirement analysis phase, the system design phase, implementation phase, testing phase, deployment phase, and maintenance phase. In requirement analysis phase, it collects all the requirements from the college side like student name, courses, and marks, and includes the objects like courses and the students and teachers. In the system design a class diagram for separate. In a system design phase, build a separate class diagrams for each requirement. In the implementation phase, code the entire classes by using the object groups concept. And in the testing phase, test each class diagram separately and wholly so that the error can be fixed. And in the deployment phase, install these software in the college office so that it can be implemented in the college site. And in the maintenance phase, fix the bugs and give any updation if it is necessary. For conclusion, for college system student management system, we can use waterfall model, which is simple and easy to fix.
Hi, myself Krishna. I am going to explain about the incremental model. Incremental model is a software development in life cycle model in which the complete system is designed and implemented and tested in small parts. There are different phases in an incremental model: requirement analysis, design, implementation, testing, development, and maintenance. Requirement analysis are identified and divided into smaller increments. In design, overall system architecture is designed and the detailed design is done for each increment. In implementation process, each implementation is coded separately. In testing process, every increment is tested individually and then integrated with the previous increment. Development, after testing, the increment is delivered to the user. In maintenance process, feedback is collected and improvements are made in upcoming increments.
My topic is R.K.Jeyauthmigha model in software development. The project is online food application. The startup company wants to develop an online food delivery applications for Android and web platforms. The market has high competitive and customer requirements were expensive to change frequency by basic on use feedbacks and market trends. Therefore, the company was choose the R.K.Jeyauthmigha model to ensure flexibility, fast delivery, and customer
Hello everyone, myself Manoj Kumar. I am going to explain about spiral model. Project name is online shopping system. An online shopping system aims users to get products, place orders and make payment. Use the project interface like payment failures and changing requirements. Spiral model stages are for planning, risk analysis, development, evaluation. First one, planning. Decides features, product use payment, estimate time to cost. Risk analysis, risk payment errors, data losses, solution, secure payment, gateway and backups. Development, designs and code the system, test each features. Evaluation, users check the system, feedback is collected.
Good morning, I am Sonia. Now I am explain about iterative model. Iterative model means developing a project in small steps. After each step, we test it and improve it. For example, student management system. In the first iteration, we create login and student details. In the next iteration, we add admins and mocks. Finally, we improve performance and designs. Advantage of iterative model. This model helps to find mistakes clearly and make changes easily. User feedback is received regularly. Testing is done in each iteration. Product quality improves step by step. Disadvantage of iterative model. Need more planning and management. Project take more time. Total cost may increase. Thank you.
Congratulations all of you. So I hope you have understood the models through a case study. So how the phases been modeled. So thank you all.